shade I'm using, I am going in with Kat Von D's Latinus. Using the dual-ended Anastasia brush that comes in one of her palettes. Just going to be taking a little bit of this and putting it right in the crease, swirling it up over the crease. Alright, once I'm happy with the intensity of that, we're gonna go back into the same palette and I'm going to be taking the shade Solace. Sure. I'm going to be taking an e.l.f. brush. It doesn't say what kind of brush it is, but it's like a dome and it helps to really get into the crease. I'm going to be running that in the socket, keeping it above the crease and kind of just like pushing it into a circular, what am I trying to say? A circular shape. There we go. If you hear crinkling, my cat is currently playing with a mouse. Not a real mouse. I should be more specific. Take it into this corner too. I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and a little bit of our blending color and just run over. I'm gonna go back in and build this up even further. Alright, once I'm pretty happy with that, I'm gonna go in with the other end of our Anastasia brush and I'm gonna be using the black in the palette. And I'm gonna build this up very slowly, only taking a little bit of the shadow and really putting this into the circular motion we created. The circular shape, taking a little bit at a time to build it up because blacks can get very muddy very quickly. And then going in with the other end, I'm just going to lightly buff that out. Okay, for our lid color, I wanted to go with like a sparkly gray. So I'm using the one from the BH Cosmetics 120 color palette. This is the second edition. On the first sheet there is this little guy and we're going to be using him. So I'm going to take my brush and wet it with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Not going past the crease or the bottom lash line. I'm going to be going in with that same Anastasia dual-ended brush and the pencil side and dipping into the black and just running this on the lash line. And then I'm going to be taking my itty bitty Urban Decay Zero eyeliner and lining my waterline with this. And going into the inner corner and taking that brush again and smudging that out. And then I'm going to take the blending shade we used earlier on the other side and just run that underneath the black. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara and my lashes off camera. I don't know what lashes I'm using. I'm honestly pulling out of my collection that I just collect. That's what a collection is. I'm just pulling out of here. Any lashes will work, whatever you want to use. I'll be right back. Okay, now that the lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead with blush. And I'm using my e.l.f. blush palette, and this is the dark one. And I'm going to use, this little guy. And these are so pigmented, you like literally have to like dip it in and you're done. And then I'm actually not, for once, gonna use highlighter. I want to keep this as a matte look. I think the main focus should really be on the eyes, so I'm not gonna use highlighter. For lips, I'm gonna be going in with a combination. This has been my recent favorite combination. I'm gonna be going in with Physicians Formula Healthy Lip, and this is in the shade All Natural Nude, and also with Ulta's liquid lipstick, and this is in Bestie. Ooh, they're so cute. Alright guys, and that is the finished look. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, then hit that subscribe button because I will be posting once a week again. Finally, I'm finally on a regular schedule where I can do that. So yeah, if you guys want to see more, then hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.